Congratulations, you have uploaded your custom WordPress template, but now you're receiving a message about needing to install certain plugins. So let's get to it. We can start to click in to install these plugins. It takes us right to the screen and we can say install now. It also recommends the following plugins. So we can install Contact Form 7 if we'd like. We also have these OT one-click import demo content, OT portfolio, OT testimonial. This corresponds with the theme itself. Those plugins are going to be located over in the theme file where you can see all of them zipped. Let's go ahead and upload those plugins. Add new, and similar to uploading our custom theme, we will upload the plugin, choose file, click install now, and unpacking the package, installing the package, plugin installed successfully. You can now go through, activate, go through all the other items that it says that it recommends you install, and you're good to go.